I just hold the button down, right? Do I just hold the button down the whole time?
I don't think so.
Oh. Run, Ginny, run! Run, Ginny, run! How do I know if it's working, honey? I don't know if I'm doing it right.
As the movie just hit the thing, that's it.
I've never taken one before.
And hit it again to stop it.
Okay.
I'm sure it did it.